Hey, friends, it is Julius Washington, your go to realtor for new construction and all things real estate here in the greater Columbia area of South Carolina. Yes, today, my friends, we are touring a contemporary modern home in the Garners Mill subdivision, which is situated in the southeast area of Columbia, South Carolina. This floor plan is called the Idlewild by Stanley Martin Homes, and I just love the finishings and the overall flow of this particular floor plan. It has 4 and 5 bedroom options, slightly over 2,700 square feet, and is priced right in the low 300K. It is affordable. Moving through the home, the chef inspired kitchen steals the show, boasting a spacious island with seating and ample cabinet and counter space, a convenient walk in pantry for that matter. The culinary hub flows into the dining and family rooms, creating the perfect setting for hosting gatherings. When you speak of location, you have to love where this community is situated. 15 minutes from Fort Jackson, 20 minutes from downtown Columbia, and 30 minutes from Shaw Air Force Base. It is a great location to commute to work. If you are enjoying this information and the tours that I put out on a routine basis on my YouTube channel, do me a huge favor. Like, share, and subscribe. More importantly, if I can help you purchase this particular home or any home here in the Metro Columbia area, it would be my pleasure. In the meantime, enjoy the tour.